Welcome back. My name is Randy Helm, and this is the fourth video in this series on cash management. Today, we will discuss an essential aspect of cash management, managing accounts receivable. Effectively managing your accounts receivable, or AR, is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow and ensuring timely collection of payments from your customers. If you typically do a cash business, such as a bar or a restaurant, some of this may not directly apply to you. If so, you could elect to move on to the next video, which is on accounts payable. However, you still might benefit from this material. Your vendors may be using some of these techniques with you. Now, if you're ready, let's begin. Accounts receivable refers to the amounts owed to your business by customers for products or services provided on credit. Managing accounts receivable involves implementing strategies and practices to optimize the collection of these outstanding payments. Efficient accounts receivable management is vital for several reasons. Firstly, it directly impacts your cash flow. Timely collection of payments ensures a steady inflow of cash, allowing you to meet your financial obligations and seize growth opportunities. Secondly, managing accounts receivable helps maintain strong customer relationships. By implementing effective collection procedures, you can uphold your reputation for professionalism and promptness, ensuring repeat business. Let's explore some best practices for managing AR. Establish clear payment terms upfront, including due dates, acceptable payment methods, and any penalties or discounts for early or late payments. Clearly communicate these terms to your customers. This is not a time to be vague or wishy washy. Issue invoices promptly and accurately after providing products or services. Clearly state the amount due, the payment due date, and payment instructions. Timely invoicing encourages customers to pay promptly. I have seen companies actually send out end of month invoices on the 5th or 6th of the following month. By doing this, you are teaching your customers that timeliness is not important. After you have sent the invoice, you can reach out to the customer to ensure that they have received it and ask if there are any questions about it. If no questions, you can remind them of the due date and thank them for their business. Implement a systematic follow-up process for overdue payments. Send payment reminders to customers as the due date approaches, and promptly contact customers with overdue payments. Be polite yet firm in your communication. Encourage prompt payments by offering incentives such as discounts for early settlements. This can motivate customers to prioritize your invoice and help improve your cash flow. One caution about this: if your margins are already very small, this might take a large chunk out of your profits. If you are going to offer quick pay discounts, your original pricing needs to take this into account. The amount of the invoice minus the discount should be the amount that you were actually hoping to receive in the first place. Otherwise, you are just giving away your profits. Your customers, the ones paying early to get the quick pay discounts, might be thrilled with the discounts. They shouldn't be too ecstatic. You priced it accordingly. Technology can greatly assist in managing accounts receivable. Consider using accounting software or customer relationship management systems that offer invoicing features, automated reminders, and tracking capabilities. These tools can streamline your invoice process, automate reminders, and provide you with real-time visibility into your accounts receivable status. They can also generate aging reports, show the age of outstanding invoices, helping you to prioritize your collection efforts. I have seen a few companies in the lawn care business that made it obvious that they had no special software. They were very irregular in asking for money and were not on top of what the outstanding balances were. Don't let this be you. When it comes to collecting overdue payments, it's important to employ effective collection techniques. Here are a few strategies. Tailor your communication to each customer. Be empathetic and understanding, but assertive in your request for payment. Maintain professionalism to preserve customer relationships. They should not be offended by the request. If they are, then they might be just trying to get something for free. In certain cases, customers may be facing financial difficulties. Offer flexible payment plans to accommodate their circumstances while ensuring regular cash inflows for your business. However, once your customer takes a payment plan, you need to consider them a higher risk if there are future sales. You may want to use different payment terms for future sales, such as requiring a larger upfront deposit or simply cash up front. If all attempts fail, consider engaging a professional collections agency to recover outstanding debts. However, utilize this as a last resort, as it will strain customer relationships. This will also suck away some of your profits. Depending on the severity, it could cost you maybe 30% of the amount received. If you go this route, make sure you put them on a cash only basis in the future. Let's summarize the key points we've covered in managing accounts receivable. Efficient accounts receivable management is crucial for healthy cash flow and strong customer relationships. Set clear payment terms and promptly issue invoices to encourage timely payments. Implement a systematic follow-up process and consider incentives for early payments. Utilize technology to streamline invoicing and gain real-time visibility into accounts receivable. Employ effective collection techniques with personalized communication and flexible payment plans if needed. Effective accounts receivable management ensures a steady cash flow and strengthens your business's financial position. By implementing these practices, you can maintain strong customer relationships while achieving your cash flow objectives. Join me in the next video when we move on to explore strategies for controlling accounts payable to further optimize cash flows. Until then, have a good day.